sending a message of solidarity to the people of Rojava, particularly the women who are defending the first feminist, socialist ecological revolution, Women Life Freedom.
And Rojava was the first feminist, multi-ethnic, Kurdish-led revolution on the Syrian border, an inspiration to women across the world who are resisting domestic violence and oppression. So we've got to stand with Rojava and defend what we have and extend Rojava to the rest of the world. Women, life, freedom.
I want to give my solidarity greetings, especially to the women who are fighting to defend Kobani right now. They really have shown the world actually what a socialist and feminist project is would look like. And I feel that we now owe a big debt of gratitude to not just the women fighters, but everyone that's participating in this new, important, progressive attempt to build a new politics in northeast Syria. Right now, we need our government to step up and speak out against this unspeakable slaughter of women, children, men, everyone that is trying to defend Kobani right now. We say, Viva Kobani, Viva Rojava, and we will stand in solidarity with you here in Australia.
My name is Sue Bolton. I'm a local councillor from the city of Merribeck in Melbourne, Australia. I'm also a member of Socialist Alliance. I have been incredibly inspired by what has happened in the Kurdish-led areas of northeast Syria, the whole attempt to create a new society on the basis of total rights and equality for all different ethnic groups, religious groups, and also for women in the Rojava. I think this is incredibly inspiring at a time when we have world leaders who are trying to build their power on the basis of race hatred against other groups, other ethnic groups and religious groups within societies. And we've also seen too many genocides in Sri Lanka, in Myanmar, and then against the Palestinians. And now this is happening against the Kurds in northeast Syria. The whole world needs to give solidarity to people in Kobani and in Rojava. And you've also led the way in terms of women's rights, and you could actually put countries like Australia to shame with what you've done for women. So long live Rojava, and solidarity to everyone in Kobani who's fighting to save their society.